children.
Welcome, dear explorers, to the town of artificial intelligence. I showed how artificial intelligence helps analyze sports tactics when it is necessary to understand the team's formation, players' movements, and repeating game patterns faster than the coach's eye can. I explained how such systems can spot gaps in defense, predict action variance, and suggest better formations. But also why even the best analysis does not replace human thinking. I invited everyone to discover together how modern tools help create smarter plans on the field. At the Reflection Channel, I met Pico Mouse and Robo Squirrel. Pico Mouse said that artificial intelligence analysis of sports tactics must look for the most worn path, so the whole team should keep running in one corridor of the field until the system considers it the magic way to victory and orders to attack only there. Robo Squirrel said that such analysis surely loves confusion, so the more often players suddenly swap places, circle around each other, and leave the opponent confused, the faster the machine will think it sees a brilliant tactical plan. Their ideas amused me, but I explained that artificial intelligence does not look for the most worn path or reward chaos. It compares formations, distances, pace of actions, and effectiveness of different solutions to help the coach choose a plan that really gives an advantage. In the tunnel of thoughts, I met Laser Peacock and Robo Rabbit. Laser Peacock told me that when his team watched the game recording with a system tracking movements, it quickly became clear that during counterattacks, the side players positioned themselves too wide and left the center open. So, after changing the distance between them, opponents entered the most dangerous zone much less often. Robo Rabbit said that before an important match, artificial intelligence compared many previous opponent actions and showed that the team often started attacks with a similar pass to the same side. As a result, the coach moved the pressing and recovered the ball faster. I summarized that these are very good examples because sports tactics analysis works best when it reveals hidden patterns and helps improve the whole team's formation, not just one player. At the Ecodrone Harbor, I met Cyber Hedgehog and Neuropony. I asked what they knew about artificial intelligence analysis of sports tactics. Cyber Hedgehog answered that such systems collect data from recordings and movement tracking, then evaluate team formation, open spaces, passing directions, pressing strength, and how often an action leads to advantage or loss. Neuropony added that artificial intelligence can also compare opponent styles, predict probable action variance, and suggest different solutions to the coach. But it needs good data. I praised their knowledge and concluded that artificial intelligence-assisted sports tactics analysis best supports understanding the game, detecting patterns, and planning formations, but the final choice still belongs to humans. Dear researchers, today you saw that AI-assisted sports tactics analysis is not about guessing the result, but carefully tracking formations, movements, and repeating behaviors of the team and opponents. Remember that such tools are strongest when they help spot gaps faster, better set pressing, and choose a more effective match plan. It is also important to remember that even the best analysis cannot replace the coach, because sports are not only data, but also decisions, courage, and timing. See you on the next knowledge journeys.